We are currently planning for our 2020 school year. What are the technology needs we have for distance learning? We do know there is a potential that we will have to begin the school year through distance learning. Our greatest challenges and obstacles that we must overcome. When we're faced with distance learning for 2020, the current math curriculum that our school district follows is not conducive for teachers to teach in a distance learning environment. Currently, our curriculum is not parent-friendly, and our curriculum does not allow for a technology component. What do we need to do? We need to find a curriculum that effectively teaches from a distance, a curriculum that can provide new instruction, independent practice, and evaluate student performance. We need a virtual curriculum that can easily be integrated back into the brick and mortar setting. We need a curriculum that can be modified for those diverse learners. This curriculum needs to be both user-friendly for home and at school. The scope and sequence of this curriculum needs to be able to be organized and manipulated by the teacher to follow our school pacing calendar. As always, it must be cost effective. And we need a curriculum that provides K-12 learning opportunities for our district so we can maintain consistency and fluidity between grades. Why do we need a change? Students need to experience academic success whether they're in the school or distance learning program. The curriculum needs to be easily self-directed. We must consider the parent involvement, the parent skill level, and the ability to assist their children in learning. Teachers do not need to be expected to develop a new curriculum. What are the learning objectives of this? I have developed and implemented and shared a vision with the district math team to integrate a curriculum with technology component to support distance learning, improve student performance, and encourage parent involvement. I want to demonstrate a digital age of leadership and management to improve effective education by organizing technology and curriculum resources. What can we do? We need to identify that effective teaching platform. As a district, we need to provide specific steps for efficient teacher application and implementation. We need to provide our parents training opportunities and then continue to provide ongoing training, mentoring, and support for both our teachers and parents. And here it is, Edgenuity, Let's Go Learn. Edgenuity is a program that has already been adopted by our school district for the use in our virtual academy, which is our high school. So the pros of Edgenuity is yes, we already have the program. We are familiar with it. Our teachers can manipulate the order of lessons, how they are taught, so that they will align with our district pacing calendar. The program, it includes all core subject areas. And one of the great things about Edgenuity is it already is compatible with Khan Academy learning. It is a web-based math program that our district utilizes. The difficulties or the things that are cons about Edgenuity is one, it is very difficult or nearly impossible to modify or accommodate a curriculum for a diverse learner. It is a more rigorous program compared to what we're currently using on site. Does not utilize math manipulatives, and it is costly to purchase over and over for the following school years. Let's Go Learn. What are the pros to Let's Go Learn? It does have a pre-test for appropriate placement for students. It is easily differentiated. There is ongoing progress monitoring available to teachers. Easily identifies the need for intervention, and it allows for self-pacing for our students. The teachers also can control the pacing. The cons is once again is it's costly, and also this is just a program that was utilized for math and ELA. My proposal is for our school district that we look at both of these programs and utilize them to best fit our students' needs and our teachers' needs. We need a program that can be utilized in school, out of school, by teachers, by parents, and also self-directed by students. These two programs offer a comprehensive approach to all the needs that our districts are facing currently while trying to teach from distance.